Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you exactly how to check if your Canva account is pro or not. Log into your Canva account. Next, locate the lower left corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This will open your account settings and options for further customization. Here, you can check your Canva account type. For example, this account shows Education. Knowing your account type helps determine which features and resources are available. The second option is a free account, which typically lasts for 30 days. If you already have a pro account, you can skip this step and move to the next. When you log into Canva, your account dashboard appears here. You'll see your projects and templates displayed in this area, allowing you to quickly access, manage, or start new designs easily. To check whether your account is pro, free, or educational, look for the account label displayed here on the main dashboard. This label clearly indicates your account type, so you can easily identify if you are on the Pro plan, using the free version, or have an educational account. Choose the Pro account option to access advanced features and benefits. Now you can tell if your Canva account is pro or not. Hit like and subscribe for more handy Canva tips.